Hello, everybody. Rafael Ochoa reaching out to you in this digital world. It's the end of the first week, and let me just say it's been a really interesting first week of the fall semester. Given the circumstances with COVID-19, it's just been a hell of a ride. So I do want to acknowledge all of you who are in my class. Thank you for participating. I've been just getting to an opportunity to read over some of your information surveys. I'm getting ready to start grading the first week's module and just start engaging with everybody a little bit more. Because it's a fully online class and we do not have the opportunity to meet during a Zoom session, it changes the dynamic a little bit more. But I do get the opportunity to get to know everybody through the assignments, and then hopefully as I settle down a little bit more for second and the rest of the weeks, I'll probably have a chance to engage with you all through our office hours. And I'll leave that information below in some of the announcements. But I just wanted to, answer some questions via this video. Again, just the format of the class. It's fully online, so there is no Zoom session. Okay, our engagement will be through the assignments, and then I usually post videos up every week. So it will be, video of me recording myself, or also me recording certain steps that you all need to go through in order to complete some of the assignments, or just navigate the Canvas platform, just like I did in that first module. So to that, I do want to acknowledge everybody. I want to commend you, first of all. Starting online is not an easy task, and as I'm reading the course survey, majority of you are first time in college. I have some folks who, they've been away for a while and are coming back to school. I have some folks who have their family at home that they're taking care of, younger kids who might be in school as well. So I just want to say I commend you. This class, for as much as I would like it to be in person, due to the circumstances, we still got to continue on. So I do my best to at least engage you, but just know that this class is more than anything, and just like the first chapter is detailing this concept of understanding college, right? And really coming to terms with yourself and realizing your why. Why is it that you are here, right? And as you begin to transition more and more into this higher education environment, you start seeing the differences between college and what your previous educational experience was, right? And that could have been K through 12 or anywhere else, right? And as much as I work with students, I think the biggest detail for folks to really acknowledge is the fact that in college, it's you, right? And in my class, you will be able to come across different themes and topics that are fairly relevant for the most part. But for a lot of folks, it might be something new, right? And so our class, since it's fully online, will continue detailing out itself via the modules. Every week, the module opens up Sunday night, Monday morning. You have the rest of the week to complete it. When you complete your assignments, that is up to you, right? That's the beauty of online instruction. So you take care of your stuff at your given time. So one of the difficulties with that is now figuring out, well, how do I balance everything else that I got going on, right? So you're going to start seeing different concepts within my class, right? The first one is Introduction to College. And then we're going to continue on with different topics that, like I said, are fairly relevant to just the transition into college. So in that, it's you understanding that you have me at your doorstep. You could reach out to me at any given point. Okay. Like I said, I am setting up my office hours, so I will have different hours within the week where you could jump into the log into the Zoom session, and be able to just either check in with me, or ask any questions regarding the assignments. And I'll have that throughout the whole semester. I think right now I have them set up for Monday and Wednesdays from 11 to 12, and then I'll do some Friday afternoons, and then via email. And you've noticed that I've had to realize that as we came home in March because of COVID, my work with students has been, I think it's been 24/7 nowadays, because I do want to provide that support for students, right? So if you email me, you more likely will get a response right away. My wife is going to get mad at me, but don't wait till Sunday night to email me. There might be times where I'm going to have to disconnect, right? So for the most part, the modules are fairly straightforward, as I mentioned in that introductory video to the course, where you have the content at your hands, right? So our textbook is integrated into the course modules, so you don't have to purchase that. I put forward some slides that you do need to look over, okay? And then I usually post some videos that will assist you in completing your assignments. And then you have a quiz at the end, right? And that's more for your accountability that you are doing the work, correct? And it goes back to the, understanding college, right? And the fact that in this platform, in this environment, nobody is going to tell you what to do, okay? We'll set reminders, and the class is structured in a way where you can see like things are being, completed in their timely manner, or via deadlines, whatever it might be. But at the end of the day, it falls back on you, right? And I want you to continue, just ingraining that within yourself, right? So building your self-discipline, right? But just taking the course with a very open mind, right? And I think, I often tell students, just because you take a college success or first year in college success class does not guarantee anything, right? I could tell you that, within my experience in higher education, I often kicked myself in the behind as I went through my years and contemplating, I should have paid attention during my freshman year when I had that class. So just take it with a very open mind. It's a fairly simple course. I mean, there is a lot of expectations for you. I have a lot of expectations of you, right? But if you go ahead and put your time to do the work, do the assignments, I'll tell you this: it's gonna take more work for you to get a bad grade in my class than than actually the work that you will do, right? So if you put in the work, trust me, you'll be fine in my class. I want you to take an opportunity within my class to really just engage. Let this be your platform for the rest of your other classes, right? I know majority of you are taking full load, and so that's very commendable as well, right? Because this is not regular, fall semester. This is fully online, and I know that everybody is just really having to adapt to this new modality. So just know that I am here for your support. Thank you for those who have reached out and just kind of noticing little things within the assignments. Hey, I am human. Going online has been interesting, but very rewarding, and it's definitely been a learning experience for me. But technology just, one day could go your way, and then the next moment it just does not go your way. So bear with me. Should be a fun class. I will be checking in with you. Please make sure to continue reaching out. But I will be leaving some information right below. Okay. So to that, I say again, welcome. I'm really excited to have you all in my class. And I'm looking forward to working with you and getting to know you a little bit more on a one-on-one basis. And to that, I said, welcome to NJC.